In this Desmos activity, you are going to see a series of screens where you'll have a graph and you will have an algebraic expression. And what you're going to want to do is simplify this algebraic expression by combining like terms and then graphing it right here. And if you simplify the expression correctly, then the two graphs will lay on top of each other, and you will know right away if you did this correctly or not. If the two graphs don't lay over each other, then you did it wrong and you need to try again. If they lay over each other, then you know that you did this correctly and you can move on to the next screen. Okay, so in order to combine like terms, here's the expression. And remember, we talked in class about terms. Terms in algebraic expression are going to be the pieces in the algebraic expression that are being added or subtracted. So here the terms are 2x, 4x, 6, 3x, and 4. Those are the pieces that are being added or subtracted. Okay. To simplify by combining like terms, you want to find the terms that are like terms. Like terms have matching variables. So in this one, for example, 2x, 4x, and 3x are terms that have matching variables. Those are going to be like terms. Those you can combine. Okay, so you just do 2x minus 4x, that's going to be negative 2x, and then negative 2x plus 3x, that's going to be 1x, and that's the same as just x. Okay, and you can already see that the graph is showing up here, right? But we're not done because we have this term 6 and 4. Those are like terms. Those can be combined as well. 6 minus 4, that's going to be 2. Positive 2, right? So that's going to be plus 2, and that's it. Okay, my two graphs are laying on top of each other. You can, if you can't tell, a couple things you can do. You can undo the blue graph or undo the red graph by clicking these two, either one of these buttons, and then you'll see like, okay, well the red graph is right, the blue graph is right there, and then the red graph is also right there. So they are laying on top of each other. I know I did it correctly. I know I simplified correctly. And that's it. That's all you have to do. You go to the next screen and you simplify the next algebraic expression.